Hey guys, in the past I tried to do a capacity bar where it showed the amount of free space left in a disk or a mount point or a USB drive. I got this idea from Windows where it basically shows it like this for your hard drives and such and removable storage. However, the way I implemented it was to basically have every single widget check to see if this file is a mount point. And as you can see, like when a file manager can have like millions of files in a single folder, you really want to optimize it to not have a lot of extra code like that happening. So that kind of like once I implemented the hack, it was like, oh, okay, that's fine. Better find a better way to do it. And then I realized the code that I was using inherited k-standard item list widget, and that's the file I changed, and just this the painting code, and the places on the sidebar. This also inherits k-standard item list widget, so I could actually use the same kind of code that I was using before and do it a little bit more like elementary does, where you have a little line right here, capacity bar. And so that's what I did. And it looks really nice. Now, there's a small problem where I'm not creating extra space below it at the moment. So the J is getting drawn over, bottom of that J there. That's unfortunate, but I'm not going to worry about it for now. I made sure that it inherits the colors. So it's grabbing the colors from the palette. It's drawing the background fill. So this part here, it's drawing it a little bit darker than the window, just a little. And when you select it, it goes a lot. It takes the selection color and draws it a little darker. And it uses the text color for when it's selected as well. And it looks pretty good in just about every color theme. And when it's over 95% full, it'll show the danger thing like it does in Windows. Not sure if Elementary does that as well. I'd imagine so. Let's try another color. So like that. And that dark. And we can try out Gavantum. Theme. There's the apply button. And I might have to reopen the window for the transparency. So, yep, looks good. Yeah, it looks nice. So yeah, I basically achieved that by during this paint call, I called the parent and then just got check if it's a mount point, or first check if it's a local file URL, then check for the mount point of the URL, and made sure that the mount point's URL equals the current path, the current folder. And if so, we just get the free space of the mount point and draw it. This is just getting where the text is, so the label that we draw. So we're getting the X coordinate so that we can draw it right underneath there. And scroll bar wasn't working. And yeah, hard-coded danger red color because there isn't really a good color from the palette, and we want it to stand out. All the other colors are from the palette though. And yeah, I'll just clean this up and send it off to Dolphin on Kitty's Fabricator, fabricator.kitty.org. That's where all the code submissions go. Anyways, let's just go through a couple more colors, I guess. Wait, it's not doing that anymore. It's the breeze, back to breeze. Anyways, I hope you thought this was neat. See you around.